Hey everyone, welcome to another edition of Tom's Toolbox. I am actually in the truck right now and driving on a road that was done with Easy Street.
They're paving roads with it down here in Barren County.
They bought the paver a couple years ago and they started using Easy Street Ambient Asphalt technology to work with it. This is actually Easy Street that we're standing on right now. This road behind me, I think it's been here for about, how long, Blake? 3 years?
About 2 years ago. This is a back road, but it's actually leading up to a farm. So there's a lot of heavy equipment and machinery that's running over this. Been running over it for 2 years now.
I can see how the product, they put it down at about 2 inches. They grade the base, they grade the ground. So the sub base, they roll over it with a vibratory roller.
They said that right after they paved it, a couple days after, they were rolling with the heavy equipment and machinery. And you can see there's no cracking, there's no rutting, there's no potholes anywhere. We can drive up and down this road and see it. But the product's holding up great 2 years in.
So Easy Street Ambient Asphalt technology is thermally resilient. It's available in 50-pound bags, large scale orders by loose bulk. We have it on the ground 24/7 here at Flynn Brothers Contracting based out of Louisville, Kentucky. So Indiana, Kentucky. You can also buy it online at easystreetasphalt.com. So there you have it. Easy Street Asphalt, Ambient Asphalt tech. Gosh, why I keep doing it? I don't know. I hate when I do it. The future of asphalt is ambient. A game changer kind of asphalt.
It's not cold mix, it's ambient.